Hello children, welcome back to grade 6 Computer Digital Learning Platform. Children, today I am going to discuss on the topic high level language. Let's understand learning outcome of today's class. We are learning to know about high level language. Let's begin the topic high level language. High level language, third generation. The restrictions in the usage of machine and assembly languages prompted people to develop a language with the following features. Simple and user-friendly language. Language that is machine independent. Owing to the above mentioned features, it became easy to learn and use the computer languages. A large number of people started writing computer programs using these third generation languages. These are also known as high level languages, HLL. A high level language is quite similar to the English language. Basic, C, C++, Java, etc. are some of the very popular examples of high-level languages. High-level language programs need to be translated into machine language by using the translator programs. A translator program is used to convert a high-level language program into machine language. There are two types of translator programs which are as follows: interpreter and compiler. Let us learn about interpreter. An interpreter translates line by line, executes the instruction and then repeats the procedure for the remaining instructions. If any errors are found, they are to be removed immediately. As the converted form is not stored anywhere, so it has to be generated at the time of the execution of a program. Interpreter programs are preferred for beginners and are slow in execution speed. Suppose the French president is visiting India on an official tour. In order to understand each other, both the French president and the Indian Prime Minister would require an interpreter to translate the French language into the English language and vice versa. Children, hope you understood about interpreter and importance of interpreter. Let's move to the next topic, compiler. A compiler is a translator program used to convert a high-level language program into machine language. It translates the whole program at once. That is, it generates the object code for the program along with a list of errors. The execution speed of a compiler is faster as compared to an interpreter. Children, let us understand about high-level language and low-level language and what is the importance of interpreter. High-level language only humans can understand. Low-level language only machine can understand. Interpreter can translate high-level into low-level language and vice versa. Now let's learn about evolution of Z in the cellular network technology. G is associated with cellular networks stands for generation. 5G is the fifth and newest generation of cellular network technology, and it should expand the capacity for mobile networks, allowing more devices to use the network than ever before. For example, 1G offers 2.4 kbps, 2G offers 64 kbps and is based on GSM. 3G offers 144 kbps to 2 Mbps, whereas 4G offers 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps and it is based on LTE technology. Children, In day-to-day life, we are using 4G and 3G network. What is that actually 3G and 4G? It is a third generation network and fourth generation network, and it differs in the data transfer rate. What is this kbps, mbps and gbps? Kbps stands for kilobytes per second, mbps megabytes per second, gbps gigabytes per second. This is the data transfer rate. Hope you understood about this cellular network technology. Let us end our session with the home play. What is translator? What is an interpreter and compiler? Write a short note on generations 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5G. Answer this in the computer notebook. Hope you will complete the home play. Thank you.